Welcome to ABC KIDZ. Animals and their young ones. Cat. The baby of cat is called kitten. Cat, kitten. Dog. The baby of dog is called puppy. Dog, puppy. Duck. The baby of duck is called duckling. Duck, duckling. Sheep. The baby of sheep is called lamb. Cow. The baby of cow is called calf. Cow, calf. Goat. The baby of goat is called kid. Goat, kid. Lion. The baby of lion is called lion cub. Lion, lion cub. Tiger. The baby of tiger is called tiger cub. Tiger, tiger cub. Bear. The baby of bear is called bear cub. Bear, bear cub. Deer. The baby of deer is called fawn. Deer, fawn. Pig. The baby of pig is called piglet. Pig, piglet. Kangaroo. The baby of kangaroo is called Joey. Kangaroo, Joey. Frog. The baby of frog is called tadpole. Frog, tadpole. Rabbit. The baby of rabbit is called bunny. Rabbit, bunny. Horse. The baby of horse is called foal. Horse, foal. Donkey. The baby of donkey is called foal. Donkey, foal. Camel. The baby of camel is called calf. Camel, calf. Monkey. The baby of monkey is called infant. Monkey, infant. Elephant. The baby of elephant is called calf. Elephant, calf. Hen. The baby of hen is called chick. hen, chick. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. ABC KIDZ.